What's going on, YouTube? Kobe A here, feeling great here. And this is episode 1. And as you can see by the title, we're going to talk about how having a routine can kill your bad habits, right? Now, it sounds like, just like the title says, not everybody uses routine. I'm going to be real. Everybody has friends where, they just kind of go with the flow. I'm going to do this when it comes time, or when I got to deal with it, I'm going to deal with it. And throughout my years, I'm 25, but throughout my years, what has helped me to grow exponentially is to have a routine. You feel what I'm saying? Think about going to the gym, right? Like, I go to the gym maybe 4 days a week. I don't do nothing crazy, but I think I'm overly in shape. That's just my opinion. Like, I've been working out for a long time, but through my experience, ever since I started working out, they started me off with a routine. You know what I'm saying? I was in football, track, I was in wrestling, I was in a lot of sports, but throughout all my sports in high school and stuff, they had us in a routine. Like, football workouts, they had us, whatever, Monday, legs and chest, and then Tuesday, break, then Thursday, Friday. They had us on a routine schedule, right? And what that builds the foundation for, I feel like, is consistency. Even with YouTube, this is my first video, but I know how to have a routine and how to be consistent. I already told myself, like, all right, boom, I'm about to make this channel. I'm gonna post at least once a week, but the goal is to get to maybe once a day. These are simple videos, right? Now, I don't know if you guys watched the intro, but I'm not gonna be doing a lot of cutting. This is off the dome type shit. But yeah, y'all, let's get to the topic of the title. And yeah. So, how routine can kill bad habits, right? So, I am reading a book. I don't know if you can see here. It's called Atomic Habits. It's amazing. It really teaches you how to kill your bad habits. And let's be real. We all have our vices with our bad habits. Your bad habit might be vaping. Like, the minute you wake up, you have to hit the vape. Like, I was dead ass like that literally a couple months ago. And then, me and my brothers, we decided, let's quit vaping. And that's what helped me quit altogether, just the people around me not having it around me, because I'm not thinking of it, nothing. So, that might be your thing, your bad habit, vaping, other bad habits. Like, hey, you wake up, you know what I'm saying, you're doing fat. Hey, some people think it's a good habit, some people think it's a bad habit. It's really up to your interpretation. But, sometimes that can, fuck with or mess up people's energy and just creative flow overall. Just everybody's different, Also, spending habits, like, that's a bad habit, you know what I'm saying? Or just bad habits could be anything. I feel like you could come home from work and just sit on your ass until you go to sleep. And I feel like that's another bad habit that me and my brothers have overcome. And basically, I'm just gonna show you guys how to get rid of those habits. Okay. Now, in my journey, I'm still learning and growing as well as you guys are. And it doesn't matter how old you are, young, old, like, you can always improve and get rid of your bad habits and really start making changes. So, what I started doing to get rid of my bad habits is replace those bad habits with something that can be a routine, right? This is how you're gonna kill those bad habits, right? So, let's say, every day it's super late at night, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Every day is super late. Before you go to bed, you like, man, I gotta spank one. Or, you know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta fat. You know what I'm saying? You can replace that and change that bad habit and just be like, all right, before I go to sleep every night, I'm gonna replace that with reading a book. Simple as that, you know what I'm saying? Plus, you're gaining knowledge. Like, you're doing a lot of things that's giving you a way different outcome than what you were doing with the bad habit, right? Now let's do another instance. Like, let's say the gym, right? Let's say you guys don't really have a routine, but you know, you work out, you do your thing for the most part. You know what I'm saying? Like, but your times that you go to the gym, it's more like, oh, I'm gonna go to the gym when I feel like the time is the best time to go, or I'm gonna go when I feel like actually going, or you know, I'm gonna go when I have time. You know, that can work, but if you're a hardworking person, like you're really not gonna be consistent with the gym. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you just kind of go with the flow and you hit the gym twice a week, like, I mean, you might see some results over time if you're consistent with that, but to me, that's just not enough to be consistent. You know what I'm saying? Like, 2 days, I mean, you could, but, you know, I feel like when you have a routine, like, okay, I'm going to hit legs Tuesdays and Thursdays. I'm going to hit arms Mondays and Fridays. Boom, I'm going to take my rest break Wednesday. You know, my routine, I'm going to let you guys know my workout routine, right? I work out Tuesdays, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, it's not like a schedule that a lot of people have. You know, most people work Monday through Friday, but that's what works for me. But I know by having that set routine, I'm gonna hit the same things each week, and I'm gonna consistently compound grow. Like, that's why if you guys go and check out my fitness channel, Kobe 8 or Kobe 8 Fit, if you look me up, I'm about to start posting content on there this summer. You know what I'm saying? I've been putting in work for years, but I've always had a routine, and that's what's just been keeping me consistent. Even when I was on YouTube 6-7 years ago, when I first started YouTube, when I was vlogging and stuff, I always had a routine. I would vlog, I would hit the gym, I would show everything I'm doing, and then I would go, you know what I'm saying, film the main part of my videos, like beach flipping and stuff, going to the trampoline park, whatever. But I would always have a routine of posting every week. You know what I'm saying? So even with YouTube, if you guys are really trying to get into the content stuff, I'm fresh into the content stuff. You know what I'm saying? But I know if I set a goal for myself, all right, let me set a routine. Let me record a video a day. It doesn't matter if I post it or not, but the routine is me posting or me recording once a day. Eventually I'm gonna have results, whether it's, you know, it doesn't have to be financially or numbers, but I will see results, right? So I don't know, y'all. I'm just giving my spiel. I'm not gonna give y'all too much time. I don't want this to be too long, but, and I'm not cutting anything out here. Like, if I stutter, y'all gonna know, like, that I stutter, and I'm still working on my stutter, because I'm really not used to being in front of the camera a lot. You know what I'm saying? It's been probably 6-7 years since I've been on YouTube, right? But now's the time. Now's the time. I'm really just gonna do me. You know what I'm saying? I'm not really gonna care about the views or like what anything. But yeah, y'all, it is what it is, man. I'm trying to think if I could think of anything else with routine. It's, you know, simple as that, y'all. It's not simple to start making those drastic changes, but when you make that one change of having a routine for, you know, whatever you guys want to implement it with, you guys will start seeing consistency. Like, for real. Like, I'm not joking. So you guys will know, you guys will see the growth, and you guys will notice, like, the difference of having a routine. Because you got to think, this is what happens when you have a routine, right? When you turn something into a routine, it starts to turn into a natural thing. Like, if I have a routine to hit the gym Tuesday every week, you know, for the rest of my life, like, I'm gonna wake up every Tuesday and be like, oh yeah, I already know what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna hit the gym. Like, this is natural. It's, you know what I'm saying? It's routine. So if it's routine to have good habits, if it's routine for you to wake up at 5 a.m., 7 a.m. Like, you're gonna already have that extra time in the day to get more productive. Like, routine will change your guys' lives. So, yeah, man. Yeah, I'm sounding like a nerd, but yeah, man, I'm just giving y'all the spiel, man. I know some of you guys, I don't know how old you guys are. You know, maybe throw in the comments how old you guys are. I want to know a little bit about y'all if y'all are watching me. But yeah, man, I'm trying to help y'all if y'all are in similar positions, if you guys can relate. I'm just trying to spread my spiel and just chat with y'all. So yeah, man, not too much more. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next episode, and I'm out, y'all. I'm gonna fuck with you. I'm gonna mess with you. What was I about to say? And I'm gonna catch y'all.